In this lesson we're going to take a look at motion. I'm going to actually use a ball instead of a cat. So I'm going to delete this cat and I'm going to import a basketball, which is in the things folder. Click OK. And this basketball is a little bit too big, so I'm going to shrink it down a little bit. And I'm also going to put a line through the basketball so I know what direction it's facing. Let's name it first. Ball. Let's click on the costume. Let's edit it. Let's add a line through the center. Let's check where that center position is. It's a little bit off, so I'm going to move it up. Click OK. And lastly, I'm going to add a background, the XY grid. Let's import it. And there we go. So to move something around the screen, we can just do it manually using just left-clicking the mouse cursor and moving around the screen. But what we want to do is we want to actually build a script that moves the ball around the screen. So let's first choose a control, and we could use the space bar, but I think I'm going to use the green flag for this particular example. And so when the green flag clicked, I want this ball to move from the top all the way down to the bottom. Now if we click on motion, you can see, I click on the ball there. What I did was I clicked on the background there. Let's see, if I click on the background and I click on motion, there's nothing there because basically you can't move the background around the screen, right? So there are no motion commands for the background. So make sure you're clicked on the sprite that you want to move around the screen. So I'm going to click on the ball, and let's take a look at some of the motion commands that we could possibly use. Okay, one of the commands is the move, and another one is the goto, and another one is the glide. So the move, let's move these over here a little bit. The move 10 steps command will move the sprite 10 steps when you click on it. If I just click on it here, you can see the ball move 10 steps. Notice how it moves in a right direction though, because that's the direction that the sprite is pointing in. And the go to x3 y156, that will go to the actual address that you type in there. So I could put 0 and a 0, and if I click on this command, you'll notice the ball moves to the center position. And the glide command here, I changed this to 5 seconds, but you can change it to 1 second or 8 seconds. It allows you to control basically the speed or how long it takes to get to this particular address. So here I got 8 seconds, and I'm going to click the glide and watch it slowly. It'll take 8 seconds to get to that x3 y156 position. So those are 3 ways that you can move around the screen in a script.